on the tape. Okay, you can record now. To rationalise the denominator of this, you need to multiply by the difference of squares. 5 plus root 2, the difference of square will be timesing by 5 minus root 2. Top and bottom, that's how you maintain the equivalence of the fraction. So on top, you've got to times that by that. Think of this in a bracket and write it as 3 minus root 2 times 5 minus root 2. And on the bottom, you've got those two. Think of that as a bracket and leave that one as well. So it's 5 plus root 2 times 5 minus root 2. When you multiply out, on the bottom, because you've got a plus root 2 and a minus root 2, the middle two terms will simplify and disappear. So you end up with 5 times 5, which is 25, and root 2 times minus root 2, which is minus root 4. On the top, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times minus root 2 is minus 3 root 2. Minus root 2 times 5 is minus 5 root 2. And minus root 2 times minus root 2, minus times a minus is a positive root 4. Now that is almost the answer, but you now need to just simplify the roots and collect like terms. On the bottom, root 4 is just the number 2, 25 take 2 is 23. On the top, minus 3 root 2 minus 5 root 5, oh that's a 2, sorry. Minus 3 root 2 minus 5 root 2 is minus 8 root 2. Because if that's 0, you start at minus 3 and you take away 5, you go further down. So that becomes minus 8 root 2. Root 4 is the number 2, and that is a positive 15. 15 add 2 is 17. I choose to write it there. That is your final answer. If you'd written it as minus 8 root 2 plus 17, that's exactly the same.